and welcome back to my YouTube channel. How to speak English confidently and fluently, how to speak English like native speaker. I know that you have this troubling question in your mind because you want to speak in English. But it is easy, yes my friend. If you can speak your mother tongue, so you can easily speak English also because it is all about the language. And what makes a language strong is your vocabulary. If you have the power of vocabulary, if you have the command over vocabulary, so you can easily speak in English. But before starting today's session, I would like to give you an advice. So my advice for today is think that you can speak in English. Believe in yourself. Your positive attitude is going to help you. Because if you think that you can speak in English, so you will definitely going to speak in English. But you have to do some works like reading newspaper every day, learning vocabulary as well. Because when you will read, you will find the new words. And reading is not just going to help you to improving your vocabulary, it will help you to build your confidence as well as your fluency. So, English is very important nowadays because it has become a global language. Even if you want to go for overseas studies or you want to get a job in MNC companies, so you have to learn English. But if you will do reading and learning vocabulary, it will going to help you a lot. And one more exercise you need to do is listening English media. Like listen CNN, BBC, there are so many English news channel. But you have to start watching and listen. You have to see the someone that's who is sitting who is speaking in front of you on the BBC. So you have to take a lesson from them. So if they can speak in English, so you can also speak in English. It is just about the thinking process. Yes, what a native child does, he just listen and repeat. Same thing you have to do. Just listen English and repeat, and definitely my friend you will going to speak in English. So let's start today's session. Not the real McCoy. MCCOY, McCoy. Simulate is from Latin simulu, to copy, and simulu itself derives from the Latin adjective similes, like or similar. Simulation then is copying the real thing, pretending to be the genuine article by taking on a similar appearance. The simulation of joy is a quiet feat when you really feel depressed. Okay? Hints and helps. The verb intimate is from the Latin intimus, in almost the same root from which the adjective intimate. I hope that you are really understanding and listening carefully and try to repeat with me. And its noun intimacy are derived, but the relationship is only in etymology. Next word, sharing someone's misery. We are talking about the origin and the related word. Those who have just joined the session. Latin miser rests the prefix con, concum before a root beginning with, together or with, and the verb suffix ate are the building blocks from which commiserate is constructed. Swing and sway. Vacillate, not the single C double, derives from Latin vacillo, swing back and forth, the noun form. Okay, I hope you really have understand. Now we'll do the next session in our next class. But before that, I would like to tell you, which I have told you in my starting of the video, that reading is really going to help you a lot to improve your spoken English, because when you will read, you will going to improve your confidence, your fluency, because you will pronounce the words. So when you will do the practice again and again, you will read and you will pronounce the word a little bit louder, so your practice will become effective and you will start going to speak in English. Second thing is listening exercise. It is also very important. Listen English media. And other thing is an action. An action means speak in front of the mirror. Try to speak with your friends or record your own voice on your smartphone. If you will do these three easy things, only three things you need to do. Only, only three things you need to do if you really want to improve your English. and you want to speak English confidently and fluently like the native speaker. So see you in the next video. Don't forget to subscribe the channel. That's all for today. Thank you so much.